Hi guys, welcome in this new video. Today, how you can see on the table and on the title, we will build Ekko sword. This is a 30 centimeter and I print for testing and upload on the website, so I will release to this link in the description. But today we will build the version, we can say the real version. It's like 1 meter and 20 of sword. And I will use steel rod like this one, and in the center part I put this acrylic bar because it will be probably break with the weight of the sword, and the other two steel rod on the bottom part in the handle, so it will keep all together without glue, and it will be more resistant. So now we will move in another room, and I will do a time lapse in the same time I build the sword, so everyone can see how it's quickly and easy to build this sword. And after we will paint the sword like this one, and we will take some cool photos. So see in a bit. Bye. So how you can see in the time lapse, I built a sword, and I use an hammer just to put all piece better inside the rod, because I use really tiny tolerance to take all together just with the rod. But it's come really nice. I'll show you, I'll tell you before I put here the acrylic rod, so it will be transparent. Yeah, of course you can see it, but it will take all together better. So now I will move on, and I will paint this word, and after we will see how it's come. But I think it will be really cool like this one. So see in a bit. Okay guys, after painting and building, you can see this is the sword finish. Okay, I'm joking. Is this one the real finish? I'm really happy. It's quite heavy. I mean, will be probably 1 kilo and something, because you have steel rod inside. But the final result is really cool, and how you can see is really amazing. I will let you in the description the link to watch all photo. And to download for free the model, so if you want to print a replicate, you can just do it and send maybe a photo to me, because I want to see if some of you print at home. And I let you in the description the link of Ricardo. Is behind the camera, he's helping me to recording, so check him stuff, and we will see in the next video. Bye guys.